Salam guys, how are you? Today we are going to make fish macaroni. First you have to boil water with salt and oil. Then add 500 grams macaroni. Boil it. Now you have to fry 2 tablespoons chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons chopped ginger, 1 cup tomato paste, 4 tablespoons ketchup, red chili powder, pepper 1 tsp, garam masala 1 tbsp, turmeric powder 1 tbsp, salt according to taste. Now add 2 cans of tuna fish into puree. Now add all the masala. Now add chopped capsicum. Now the puree is ready. Add boiled pasta into it. Mix it well. Add 2 tsp soy sauce and chili sauce. Mix it well. Now it's ready. You can do toppings of your choice. Serve it and enjoy it. Thank you for watching.